Hi there. Today we're gonna go over with a quiz review for graphing and solving exponential equation. So y equals to the x. Always remember when you're graphing, you always just have to make a table for your parent function only, and then all the transition and shift will occur after you plot the points for the parent function. So like this one here is a parent function. Let's have a review. We always start with -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 for the x value. This will give you 1/4, 1/2, 1, 2, and 4. Okay, you should know this one by now. Okay, so on this case, you just have to plot the points. I'm not asking you where exactly is 1/4 on the y. Just give me a close, reasonable point. So -2, 1/4 is a very small number right here. -1 is half, 0, 1, 1, 2, and 2, 4. Those 5 green points represent the the parent function y equals to x. And make sure you make a straight line here, connect them, arrows, kaboom. Don't let it go through down there. That's the orange one is wrong. Keep it like the pink one there, straight and smooth. Okay. Let's go here. This one have x minus 3. X minus 3 tells you to go to the right 3. So it's the same point. I'm not going to make it. You have to make a table, but because of the time, I'm just saving the time given here. So I'm just going to plot the points of the parent function. These 5 points are the points of the parent function. But now there's an x minus 3. That tells us to go right 3. If this was plus 3, I go left. Since it's minus, I go right. So everything moves to the right by 3 points. And there you have it. The pink points will be the graph of y equals 2 to the x minus 3. Okay. Now, once we have to the x plus 3, same, draw or plot the parent function points. And the plus 3, which is another term, not beside the x, means you're going to go up by 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then the rest is just 1, 2, 3 there. Connect them all, make it a smooth curve here, and goes to that point there. Okay? Let's combine them. Here, again, always start with the parent function points. The first one we did. Now, x plus 2 tells you to go left 2 and down 5. So I'm going to left 2, down 5, left 2, down 5, left 2, down 5, and just make sure it's a smooth curve. Make this a straight line here first, and then goes up gradually. Arrows, and that's a graph of y equals 2x plus 2 minus 5. Here, you just x minus 4 tells you to go right 4. You should know that. And plus 1 tells you to go up 1. Here, it tells you to go left 3. Minus 2 tells you to go down 2. This is another parent function, y equals 3 to the x. When you make a table for this one here, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. You plug in the -2 right there, gives you 1/9. Gives you -1, plug it there, gives you 1/3, 1, and then 1/3, 1/9. So put 3 and 9. Just reverse all the time. This one tells you to go right 3. This tells you to go up 3. This tells you to go left 2, down 5 again. X minus 4 tells you to go right 4, up 1. X plus 3 tells you to go left 3, down 2. Now let's go to solving exponential equation. The goal here is to make their base the same. You can use a calculator and try to punch 2, 3 times, 4 times, or whatever until you get the number you're looking for. Like in number 3, 81. I have n 3 to the 3m. I need to make their base the same, which is 3. 81, I know is 3 times 3 will give me 9. Multiply with another 3 will give me 27. And multiply with another 3 will give me 81. How did I know that one? You have to go back to the basic of multiplying. 7 times 3 is 1. Put the 2 here. 2 times 3 is 6 plus 2 is 81. That's how I know. How many 3 did I use? 1, 2, 3, 4. So therefore, 81 can be replaced as 3 to the 4th. And this is 3m. You notice that they have the same base now. So I can eliminate this and have 3m equals 4 divided by 3 divided by 3. M is equal to 4 thirds. Same thing with this. I need to come up with a plan to make their base the same. 64 is 4 times 4 is 16. Times 4 again will give me 64. So how many 4 is that one? That will give me 4 cubed. And this is 4 to the 3n. Now they have the same base. Eliminate, eliminate. 3n equals 3 divided by 3. N is equal to 1. Here, common mistake of the student. When they eliminate this one here, negative 2n equals 3n. Oh, they're the same. Yes, they have the same with an n. It doesn't mean that the answer is no solution, all real numbers. Plus n here, plus n there, give you 0 equals 4n. Because there's an invisible 1 right here. Divide this by 4, divide this by 4, n is equal to 0. Here, same thing, cancel, cancel, negative 2x equals 3x plus 2x here plus 2x there. 0 is equal to 5x. So divide by 5, divide by 5, x equal to 0. Here, how can you come up them with the same base? I know that 8 is 2 times 2 times 2. So 2 cubed and 2 to the negative 3n. Eliminate this, negative 3n is equal to 3. So therefore, n is equal to negative 1. Same base, cancel, cancel. So negative x equal to 4. Don't stay with this one. You're going to divide by negative 1 because you're solving for x. Eliminate this, x equal to negative 4. Fill in the following x and y table. Let your x be negative to negative 1. So here you're going to make a table. X, y, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2. So you need to plug in the negative 2 right there. Remember, 3 to the negative 2 is a negative exponent. That's why this has to go down. So 1, 3 squared. 3 squared is 9. So the answer is 1/9 here. Same thing with negative 1. 3 to negative 1 is a negative exponent. So it has to go down. Becomes 1, 3 to the 1. What's 1, 3 to 1? It's 1/3. And I told you, there's 9 here. So on the 2 here, 9, 1, 9 to the negative 2. To the positive, this will be 9. To the negative 1, 1/3, this will be 3. And 3 to the 0 is equal to 1. Very simple. Let's go here. X, y. To this negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2. You plug in the negative 2 here, so 7 negative, because that's negative there, and a negative 2 here. What's negative times negative? It's positive, so what's 7 squared? That will give us 49. Now you put the negative 1 there. 7, negative, negative 1. Negative times negative is positive. What's 7 to the 1? 7. And you know from there, negative 2 is 49, so on the positive 2, it will be 1 over 49. Negative 1 over 7, so on the 1, it will be 1/7. And any number raised to 0 is always equal to. There you have it. That's your review. Good luck and kaboom!